Reballing a BGA chip could be as simple as ABC, only if you follow the right procedures. Make sure that the IC that you want to reball is clean. Carefully place the stencil on the BGA chip till every pad is visible. The next thing you have to do is to apply solder paste onto the BGA stencil till every hole is filled up. I am using the Mechanic 183 degrees Celsius solder paste. Before applying the solder paste to the stencil, make sure you remove excess flux from the solder paste. One easy way to do it is to put some amount of solder paste into a serviette and squeeze it very hard to remove the excess flux. Take your time and fill it up. Don't be in a hurry. Make sure you clean off the excess solder from the BGA stencil. As failure to do so might result in solder bridges and uneven solder balls. After the cleanup process is complete, gently hold down the stencil and the BGA chip with a pair of tweezers. I am using a temperature of 320 degrees Celsius with a minimum airflow. Gently heat it from afar and gradually bring the heat closer. If you follow what I'm saying right now, you'll get a fantastic result. Carefully separate the chip from the stencil and we are done. Happy reballing! The next important thing is to clean up the IC. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video and click on the bell icon for more notification.